Hello programmers, in this video we are going to make a small program to find the largest number among three given numbers. First we will import math module. Now we will start to write our code. We will provide input function for users to enter numbers. According to number given by users, the respective codes will be executed to show the output. It's time to run the program. It is working correctly. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find any error, comment it. I have given all the code in description.